Hello and thank you for watching. So you want to learn how to crochet. My name is Mandy and I have got another granny square for you. Actually a granny polygon, if you really want to be technical about it. I just thought this would be a pretty cool one. Let me hold it back some so you can see it is a 5-sided polygon. And you're wondering, how would I put that together? Well, you have this side to put together, this side to put together, this side. You'd just be connecting 5 sides instead of 4 sides. It's a pretty cool pattern. I see with the darker colors, it's really hard to see the stitching, but I wanted to do that, so let me bring it closer so you can see the different rows. Try and back it up again so you can actually see. It's kind of, there we go. There we go. You can see the 5-sided. And this is actually a pretty good size square here, or polygon. You can actually do any shape. You could do a rectangle, I don't know about a triangle, but probably could. So I'm going to show you how I did this one. I actually started the regular granny square. And at this point on the granny square, you see you've got 1, 2, 3 corners. And this is where you would stop, hook it together, and make your 4th corner. But we're not going to do that. We're actually going to, because I actually got it there. Okay, we're actually going to scoot it over a little bit, give it a little bit more room, and put 3 more double crochets in here. And then you're going to do your 2 chains. Then you're going to hook it together with your slip knot. Gotta get it through the chain. A little OCD thing I got. Through the chain. There we go. And make your slip knot all the way through. Slip stitch. And that is the start of your polygon. And you're going to do the same way you would all the other ones. You're going to start by chaining 2. And you see I did turn it again. So I'm going to go into this hole here. And this is actually the corner. So we're going to chain 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets in that same hole. Alright, now I'm doing this fast because I want to make sure I get this in a decent amount of time, and I do have videos on how to do the double crochet. I have videos on how to do granny squares, different ones. So I've got my first corner. Now I'm going to do my chain 1 because I kind of like that one. I'm going to come over here to this corner and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do our double crochets. Oops, 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 oops. And 3 of them. Two chains. And you're going to put your other in that same hole again. Double crochet. And you're just doing this one like you did the 4-sided granny square. In between your 3 double crochets on the next row, you're going to do your chain 1. At the corners, the 5 corners, you're going to do your 3 2 double crochets and 3. I mean, this is this one's a little different. I think I went too big on this one when doing this. I think I should have stopped maybe at maybe the pink. The black is a little maybe too much. Just because of the shape of it, it wants to fold. So, but it is a pretty cool shape. A polygon. 5-sided polygon. So if you like my little videos, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Because I do have more videos coming. I am so eager to get them out there to you so that you can learn new things and experiment and pick up the thread and or yarn and do different projects. Go to your local Walmart or your Myers or wherever you go shopping at, department store, and go to the yarn aisle and just pick you out a skein or two. They're not that much money. I think it's like $2.50 a skein, and is where I go. For just an average size red heart skein. I mean, the other ones that I've showed you are a little bit more expensive, but just normal yarn is not that much. It's not that much. So just go and get you some yarn, make you a polygon, put it all together. It will be an awesome, awesome blanket. Afghan, lap throw, whatever you want. So I want to thank you for watching. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe if you not have done so already. All right, and happy crocheting.